The journey of mayonnaise begins with the careful delivery of its foundational ingredient, fresh eggs.
The connection is secure.
Vast quantities of high-quality vegetable oil arrive, stored in immense tanks, ready for processing.
Pressure looks stable.
Automated machinery precisely cracks thousands of eggs per hour, separating the shells from their precious contents. Liquid egg undergoes pasteurization, a critical step to ensure food safety while preserving its natural properties. Vast quantities of high-quality vegetable oil are carefully pumped through a network of pipes to the mixing stations. Tangy vinegar, a vital preservative and flavor enhancer, awaits its precise introduction into the emulsion. Essential dry ingredients, such as salt, are weighed with absolute precision to ensure consistent flavor. Granulated sugar, contributing to the mayonnaise's unique taste profile, is measured with equal care. A carefully selected blend of spices is prepared, adding depth and complexity to the final product. The core liquid ingredients are combined in a powerful pre-mixing stage, forming a uniform base. The creamy base is then transferred to specialized high-shear mixers, where the delicate art of emulsification truly begins. Gradually, a steady stream of oil is introduced, drop by precise drop, into the rapidly agitating mixture. Within the mixer, oil droplets are tirelessly dispersed and suspended, forming the stable emulsion that defines mayonnaise. Automated dosing systems ensure that every ingredient, from vinegar to a hint of water, is added at the exact moment, and samples are routinely taken for pH testing, a crucial quality control measure for stability and preservation. Viscosity tests are conducted to ensure the mayonnaise possesses the perfect consistency and creamy texture. Even without human presence, the sensory qualities of the mayonnaise are rigorously evaluated. Further homogenization refines the emulsion, creating an even smoother, more stable product. The perfectly emulsified mayonnaise is then transferred to large holding tanks, awaiting its journey to packaging. Empty glass jars embark on a journey through an intensive cleaning process, ensuring absolute sterility. Robotic nozzles precisely fill each gleaming jar to the brim with the rich, creamy mayonnaise. Immediately following filling, each jar is securely capped by advanced automated machinery. An induction seal is then applied, creating an airtight barrier to ensure freshness and product integrity. Next, the distinct brand labels are precisely applied, identifying the product. Each label is meticulously affixed, transforming a simple jar into a recognizable product. A crucial date code is then rapidly applied, ensuring traceability and consumer safety. Every jar undergoes rigorous visual inspection under bright lights, ensuring no imperfections go unnoticed. Robotic arms meticulously select and arrange the finished jars into their protective packaging trays. Flat sheets of cardboard are swiftly transformed into sturdy trays, ready to hold multiple jars. Filled trays of mayonnaise jars flow seamlessly along the conveyor system, nearing their final packaging stage. Each tray is then securely shrink-wrapped, providing an additional layer of protection and tamper evidence. Automated systems carefully place the shrink-wrap trays into larger shipping cases. The shipping cases are then sealed with strong adhesive tape, ready for distribution. Robotic palletizers efficiently stack the sealed cases onto pallets, creating stable units for transport. Each completed pallet is then tightly stretch-wrapped, ensuring stability and protection during transit. Forklifts carefully transport the finished pallets into the expansive temperature-controlled warehouse. Thousands of jars await distribution, testament to an efficient and high-volume production process. Pallets are meticulously loaded onto waiting trucks, ready to embark on their journey to consumers. From the factory, the finished mayonnaise makes its way to store shelves, a staple in countless kitchens. The culmination of this intricate process brings a familiar taste of creamy perfection to tables everywhere.